Our drunken videos from last night.
Oh my god.
You know how I feel right now.
Oh, before and after.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It's another bright and beautiful day in Guadalajara.
It's about 11 a.m. We kind of got a later start today because we got in at 5 a.m. this morning at the club. That was fun last night.
It was. So
Yeah,
right now, I don't know if you can tell, but we're walking like in the middle of the street because every Sunday, Guadalajara, they close down main streets to car traffic, so it's only pedestrians and bicycles. So like there's a bunch of families and people just kind of going out and skateboarding and riding bikes and jogging. It's really nice.
Every Sunday they do this.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday. And the plan for the day is we're going to try to take an Uber to the town of Tequila so we can let the other guys check out some of the distilleries over there.
Yeah. So right now, coffee and food are very important or else we'll die.
Yeah.
If we go to Tequila with an empty stomach, so.
Adopt a puppy. I want a puppy. So cute.
Buenos dias.
So we got done at Starbucks, walked around a little bit, got ready, and now we are on our way to the town of Tequila.
Yep, we're taking an Uber. And it's a little different because we did tour last time, so just want to change it up. The price comes out to about the same. Maybe it's a little cheaper, but
it's less time because we're going directly to the town of Tequila instead of like making stops. The 2 hours.
a little bit more freedom what we can do now because we're on our own schedule. But
We really want to check out this cantina we saw on the internet.
yeah,
And it was also recommended by some of the locals here too. So.
and the tour doesn't go there.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta get there yourself.
Yeah, so the ride's gonna be about an hour long. Right? It's gonna be about an hour.
About 30 bucks.
Mm-hmm. Enough time to prep our liver the rest of the day.
Yeah, it's gonna be rough.
Yeah.
It'll be
It's a beautiful
fun.
day.
It's nice.
Yeah, and changing the shorts.
That's why she's so pretty.
After an hour driving in Uber, we are here in the town of Tequila.
The beautiful town of Tequila.
And it wasn't bad. Our ride was about 600 pesos. So if you don't want to do a group tour on a tour bus, which is $24 per person, you can just grab Uber. So if you have a small group of friends, you can just split the cost, and it's pretty easy. It's an hour drive.
Yeah. The cocktail's a bunch of a lot of tequila, some fruit juice, some squirt, some I don't know what's called. Some red sweet stuff in there, some tahini on top.
Gracias.
So it's really good. It's like sweet and delicious and refreshing. It has a lot of tequila, but it doesn't taste like it has a lot of tequila, so it's pretty dangerous. And it costs 50 pesos, which is about $2.50. And it comes with a giant mug, and the mug is yours to keep. In other places in Mexico, you're not allowed to drink while you walk down the street. But in Tequila, you are allowed to, which makes sense.
is a blue agave tequila Weber. That will be the full name. So it should take about 7 to 10 years to reach mature. So we have to expose the heart, shaving the plant. So then we only use the core. We don't care about the leaves. The leaves are bitter. That's why we use only the core. And this one, sometimes it's around 60 kilos, but also we can find them 200 kilos. So we need 7 kilos of this for a liter of tequila. Okay? You had
Which, yeah, he did. It's on video. Face.
We have these barrels in here, so we can see them from inside. And you guys Japanese.
Really?
We just got done with our tour at the Cuervo Distillery. We got to see the inside the factory. We saw the fermentation process, and we got to taste some tequila as well. And we also got to taste the agave, which is the actual plant that tequila is made out of. So
That's fun. It was
240 pesos
240. So what's that?
per person, and it was about $10.
$12.
Yeah, about $12. And it's about like an hour and a half to 2 hour walking tour. So and we did an English one. So yeah, it was actually really fun.
Do you drink a lot? Because they give you they explain how it's all made, but they also they give you like the tequila right when it comes down to distillery, so it's at 55%. When normal tequila is like 35 to 40%.
Yeah.
It was harsh. It was not good.
Yeah, the first tasting we had was the 55%.
It was burned.
It was like drinking gasoline.
But then you try all different tequilas, and then you go to the bar, and they give you some chilled tequila. So
Yeah. So yeah, if you ever come to Guadalajara, recommend coming over to the town of Tequila and doing a tour.
it's where you pray for forgiveness after drinking. Tell us more about your family.
So when I was 5, this is a documentary about me. I feel that you guys brought me here just to record me. You should have like, share, subscribe,
and all that shit.
retweet, blog, Tumblr, Instagram it.
Nutty. I got it. Big nutty. We all did it. Alright.
It's like a burnt barbecue cut.
How is it?
It's like crunchy, salty. That's it.
Nutty?
Ooh, nutty. Nutty's a good word. It's spicy too.
It's spicy and nutty taste.
Let's get a medium one. And then
1 1,000, 2 1,000. On that.
Teníamos 11 minutos.
¿Qué perra eres? ¿Qué? O sea, sí, pero ahorita te explico. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, more.
Is he playing the flute? As he's spinning. Shook it. Shook it.
shook AF.
Oh my god, these people are horrible. Drinking out. No. It's weird, right? So we finished that giant cocktail. I need some food. Excuse my red, rashy face, because there's a lot of tequila involved. Look at this. Look at this. It's like little. What do you call it? What do you call it?
I want a salchipulpo.
Salche pulpo. So pulpo is octopus. So salch. How do you say it?
It's from sausage.
How do you say it again?
Salchipulpo.
Salche pulpo. So it's like sausage and octopus put together.
Okay.
It's like a hot dog.
Correct.
We are leaving Tequila, and
What time is it? It's 8 o'clock.
yeah,
Holy crap.
so it's a little too late, and there's no more Ubers. So sometimes when you travel, you have to things that go according to plan. You have to roll with it. So luckily, we have Spanish-speaking people with us, and we got taxis to go back to Guadalajara.
Well, there's like a line of taxis, so
This was the last taxi.
I'm sure there's gonna be more.
There was 4 taxis. One took one group of our friends. The other was like, nope, not going that far. The other guy said he had to go to the airport later, so he couldn't do it. So it's the last one. And we got this taxi. But yeah, the price actually $600. That's how much we paid to get out here.
Yeah,
So
same thing.
the same thing.
Yeah. And I got a flask.
Flip it. Flip it.
Oh. It says save water.
Drink tequila.
This thing cost me $1.50, 35 pesos.
Are you gonna actually drink out of it though?
Maybe. I'm gonna take it a wee ho.
Is it plastic or what's inside?
It's like cork. Right? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's cute.
Yeah.
We have a good time today.
So we have an hour back
I'm
to
gonna relax for a little bit and then back out.
yeah,
It's our last night out, so
make it count.
yeah, when we get juiced and drunk.
True.
Hashtag true.